What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Today's episode is going to be short and sweet. I think I'm going to at least try and make it short and sweet. So I got a little bit of a unboxing and then just a couple of things to show you guys. I just got back from Philly going down to see the kids, and we had a blast. We got the kids a couple of fish, and we just had a good time hanging out with them. It always is a good time, but because, you know, we took those days and did that, I'm halfway done editing a video and I just got home and I want to get something up to you guys because Taya has an award to present this evening. She got asked to present an award at a ceremony, so we are going to do that in like an hour, so I need to shut up, get into this unboxing, show you guys the ridiculously cool thing that we have here. I actually have two things. I have one thing that I'm not sure exactly what's in the package, and another thing that I haven't seen it yet, but I know exactly what it is because I designed it myself. So first things first, I just got in some extra Clash 9 lips. So we got a lip on this bad boy now, and it is ready to be used in the salt water. And I just literally 2 seconds ago changed over the hooks to these treble hooks that Jim sent us. So thank you, Jim, for that. Stoked to get out during the fall run and hopefully get some fish with that. Let's get into the first package. I'm not exactly sure what's in here. So this is from our buddy who made all those fluke lures and sent them to us. He enjoyed the unboxing that I did, showcasing his stuff, and he was like, I want to send you some stuff that you can use for cod and sea bass. And I was like, yeah, I mean, we'll put it to use. So let's see what's in here. We got a little bit of letter here. So he sent us a bunch of cool rigs that he liked to use when he lived up here in Rhode Island for cod and sea bass. So, and there's some teasers as well, he said he put in here that we can use on just our normal cod rigs. So that's actually the first thing I grabbed were some of these teasers. That's really cool. That's sweet. This is a excellent big beefy hook in case you do hook into a nice beefcake of a cod. He said a lot of his bigger cod got caught on these teasers. Another package of teasers, light blue, same hook. Some white ones, sick. And then some rigs. This is great. We're going to be able to use these literally right away. Three hooks on this one, three-way swivels. I think a lot of them have 3 hooks. I like this color. Wow. These are definitely going to get put to use. This one's dope. Definitely going to get put to use. Some more teasers. Pink. Another rig. Another rig. Some black teasers. I feel like this bag is just never ending. Another rig. I think this might be the... Oh, no, 2 more. Another rig. I love how there's like... These hooks are perfect for codfish. Too big for a lot of the little fish to hopefully get hold of. And this squid one's great. Fantastic. This is going right on the boat. And we will put this to use immediately. Mike, thank you so much. I seriously cannot... I can't tell you. I mean, these blue ones, apparently they glow. These are blue glow. So sick. Guys, again, we'll leave Mike linked down below if you guys have any interest in getting anything tied up, custom made from Mike. He kills it. I mean, this stuff is quality. And speaking of quality, speaking of quality, and you want to see some quality lures, I got these two lures that Lily and I did today. She did this one pretty much all by herself, except for one side she didn't put the polka dots, so I put them on there. That's a lipless crankbait, and she wanted to do another one, so she did this popper. She did one side, and I did the other side. Tried to mimic what she did, basically. And then I touched it up with some black. Using these like little paint pens. These are like do-it-yourself custom lures. And I thought that was really funny and fun. And I left one for Lila. We did this while Lila was in school this morning. So super stoked about those. You guys will see more of those. We're definitely going to do a video. But again, speaking of quality, that's actually not what I was going to get into. I got my first pair of VANS the other day. I might have had a pair of VANS when I was younger. If I did, they were probably like the more like, I don't know. I liked more cushiony shoes when I was younger, like the skate shoes. But I wanted to get a pair of VANS. I don't know. I was just at the store the other day. I got my kids some VANS as well, and I got myself a nice pair, and I love them. They're super comfortable. They look nice, and so when I got them, they asked for my email. I gave them my email, and then randomly the other day I got an email from them, and I went into their page to like check my like points. Apparently you get points or whatever, and I noticed that they had custom shoes. I was like, I wonder what that's all about. So, right here, folks, in this box here, we have a pair of custom shoes. Now, this is the reason why I really wanted to do today's video. I've been wanting to show you guys these shoes since I designed them weeks ago. Really, there's one person that I want to show more than anyone, and so I will be tagging him in this video. Something fell out here. Thank you for supporting our heritage with your VANS custom-made order, custom-made tradition since 1966. We continue to make custom-made stuff, so really cool. They are, folks, in this here bag. Super excited. Joey from WOOZY Fishing and I, if you haven't seen the video, I'll leave it linked down below. But Joey and I, we ran into a big fish out close to Newport, and that fish wasn't supposed to be there. So it was quite the surprise, and we took some great pictures of it. And I took one of the pictures off my phone and had these shoes made. Real quick, let me just lace these things up, and I will show you this incredible shoe. So freaking dope, guys. Now, I didn't realize how glittery, is that a word? I didn't really realize how sparkly this was going to be, but I actually think it looks pretty sick. Especially, that's most of that area is going to get covered by jeans anyways most of the time. This here is the eye of the marlin that we found out there, the dead marlin that was just floating, and this is his beak stretching out this way. I actually love the colors and the stripes here, and on this side here. And that's Joey's boat and like the shadow of the fish. Just amped up for these shoes. These are easily the coolest pair of shoes I own that I've ever seen. You guys can feel free to bash me in the comment section, because I know some of you are probably like, those are the cheesiest shoes I've ever seen. But I think they're freaking dope. And we're going to take good care of these things. Just sick. Tell me what you guys think of these shoes down in the comment section. So yeah, these are by far, in my opinion, the coolest pair of VANS that are out there on the market right now. But that's just because I designed them, and I definitely am going to come up with a few more of these. I definitely want to make a pair of these for each one of my daughters. Maybe not with this same fish, maybe with one of the fish they catch. I really want a pair of shoes with a false albacore because I absolutely love the pattern. I love this idea. I love that I can take my own photos. You can even take your own artwork and slap it all over a pair of Vans, which is freaking just, it's so cool. These shoes are insane. And you can customize this. Like, this could have been a different color. It's like all these things. I customize even the inside of this. Here, I picked that color. I picked the checkerboard here on the side. That's all stuff that I picked. I customized it to the T. Now, I believe on this shoe, you could only put the picture, like your picture here. That's the one thing. With each shoe, there's like different spots where you can put your stuff. And so this is the spot on this shoe, and that's what we went with. It's funny because I was just messing around. I did not think I was going to get a shoe, but when I saw those colors there, I was just like, no, this looks so sick. Let's see what Taya thinks. Hey, Taya.
You got glitter shoes to match mine?
Do they match yours?
Yeah.
I didn't know they were going to be so glittery. Glittery?
Yeah.
Glittery?
I used to have some that were the whole thing was like that, and then I got another pair, and I don't like them as much, but they're still silver glittery. They're outside.
Are they Vans?
Yeah.
Oh, dope. What do you think?
I think they're cute.
Did you hear that, folks? Cute. I don't think she likes them as much as I do. So guys, thank you for joining us today. I'm going to try and get this edited and up as soon as humanly possible so we can get going over to Taya's big event where she's going to win a ton of awards.
Presenting an award.
I know, I already told everybody. She is presenting me with an award. So yeah, again, thank you Vans for the coolest custom shoes I've ever seen in my life. Top that, guys. Guys, if you do have some custom Vans, if you've made a pair of custom Vans, I would love to see them. And I can share them on my story. If you tag me like in Instagram, either on a photo of your shoes or like a story post of your shoes, I would love to see them, and then I'll repost them on my story because I'm stoked. I think that's super cool, and I'm definitely going to do it again. So thank you for tuning in today, ladies and gents. We will catch you on the next one. Fish on!
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. This that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday.